So here now guys, the result of our initial charge on this LG unit, which was error CH35, and now it is now energizing, and it is error CH35. So we initial charge to 220 standby unit, and now the compressor is already energizing to higher hertz. So it is cold now, and see, the pressure is now higher. Before, the pressure is only 35 psi. Now it is only 125. So in this case, it is enough for the unit. Do not overcharge the unit, only up to 120. Okay, so this is now the situation. Fan is working well. 2 1 ampere is 21 running, coming high, and the unit is until 29 ampere maximum. So it is enough. See, it is now 120, coming to lower 120. So at this moment, it is enough for him, for this unit, this ampere, and his charge. So see you next guy, another experimental error. So have a nice day.